this is where Golda is hiding? And they're selling guns?
Yeah. And look at this part.
Excuse me, your food is ready. Serving the food for you. And, of course, the plates. Plates are for you. Yes.
Grabe, good job ka talaga. Hindi mo lang nalaman kung saan nagtatago si Golda, nakakuha ka pa ng video na ganyan. So, malaking bagay niyan sa atin.
You know, just lucky, I guess. What'd you say?
Huh? No.
Ay, no. Don't listen to him. Kagabi pa magulo ko usap eh. I'll just talk to Andrew about this, okay?
Okay.
In fact,
Are you mad at me?
Me? At you? No. You're the best. You do everything right. Why would I be mad at you? You're the best. Never.
You sure?
Mahal ka na.
Sa Amoroso. Alam mo, 5 taon ko naging informant din si Golda, pero ni minsan hindi kami nagkaroon ng operasyon doon. At alam ko wala siyang mga kamag-anak doon. Wala siyang connection.
Hindi ba na siya informant? She's also a criminal and a drug dealer. Alala mo ba yung tinatawag nilang Ninong?
Nino? Si Vincent Alcala.
Sabi sa akin ng assistant ko, siya raw ang may pinakamalaking supplies ng ammunition sa gobyerno.
Hindi lang sa gobyerno. Pati mga rebelde, private army, terorista. Bakit, Andrew? Nando ba si Golda ngayon?
Hindi ako sigurado, pero may possibility.
Mag-iingat kayo. Malaking sindikato to. At si Joey, alam natin mapusok yun. Hindi magpapatalo. Ikaw muna bahala sa kanya. Andrew, hindi kayo sasantuyin itong taong to.